Good morning everyone. I, Yaman of class 10th is going to speak on the topic construction of dam in UK. This project is a very big project. This will be the second largest dam in India. It will produce hydroelectricity which is made through water and it will not create harm to the nature. It will provide many jobs to the people. For example, labor, architecture, etc. It will also provide profit to many companies, for example, cement company, machinery, and etc. The cons are that by the making of this dam, the many areas of forest will be cut. It will approximately cut 500 square yards, and the villages living in these areas will also be relocated, by which the people get problem. They will lose the land in which they live, and etc. In my opinion, this is a very good project. We can also make the cons into the pros. We can give the job to the people who are living in the villages in the dam, and many people can get employed. The area which is cut, the forest area which is cut, it can be reproduced by planting land in many different areas of the country.
Hi everyone, my name is Ayushman and I am presenting my views on the topic construction of dam in Uttarakhand. In my opinion, the construction of dam in Uttarakhand is beneficial because it can create hydroelectricity which can help the 78% of the population and the total usage of the energy in Uttarakhand. As this hydroelectricity is a green electricity which cannot harm the environment, and the people who are living there, it can help them to work at their workplaces. By the construction of this dam, we can create 10,000 jobs which can help the people to boost their livelihood. In Uttarakhand there are some of the villages which do not have water resource. By the construction of this dam, they can get water and many other things which can help such like farmers. They can get water to cultivate their land fields and etc. As this project is beneficial but not more, because it can affect many other peoples. By the construction of this dam, near about 5,000 villages get displaced, and near about it can make the difficult life of the people. Near about 20,000 people have to ruin their livelihood for the construction of this dam. They have to work hard for food, water, money, and many other essential things. By the construction, 67% of the cultivated land will get underwater, which will not be used for farming again and again. In my opinion, that the construction of this dam is a bane, because 500 villages get displaced, and it will be difficult for the people to survive at a new place. And if the government will give 70% reserved 70% job for the people who are displaced, but it is not more beneficial for them, because after the construction of the dam they cannot be able to add the jobs, and they have to work hard more and more. Thank you.